Hi, this is Tad. Let's take a look here at the progress of a small study from beginning to end. It starts with a simple red chalk drawing on a glue gesso ground. I just want to get the basics here. Then I put a very thin couch of a medium over the ground. This allows the paint to move a little more. Everything can be adjusted, so the beginning is also loose. The day was very hazy, so here I'm putting in the gray to differentiate foreground and background. Feeling my way into more color and form, keeping the value scale compressed, looking for the essence of the situation without allowing anything to lock up too much. I started this after lunch on an overcast day and ran out of light, so I stopped here. I adjusted the sky several times, and next morning I noticed that it wasn't quite square. I also added a little bit to the right edge. It's becoming a little tighter, bringing the foreground forward with brighter and darker color, and I'm working to get that middle distance a little more accurate. I stopped it here for now. It just didn't really want to have any more paint put on it. It didn't feel done, but I didn't really know what to do next either. This is always a good place to stop. It's small, 8 by 13 inches, and in retrospect, it might have been a good idea to set up the major forms a little more accurately in the beginning. At the same time, it has strong energy, which is what I wanted, and I can clean it up in the next layer without losing that. The palette started out pretty simple, one blue and one green with warm earth colors, black and white. I added a little viridian later, and this took over a bit, so I'll be watching out for that in the next layer. Overall, it's very cool. Could be a little warmer without losing the sense of the day. The conception of color here is based on how the Greeks worked with color in the tetrachromaticon of black, white, yellow, and red. This system begins to appear again in the 17th century and was very influential because it offered a way to make more with less. It uses 3 types of color: positive, negative, and neutral. Positive and negative had 3 axes, but each neutral primary also has 3 axes, making this area interesting, but in need of lots of organization. The idea is to enhance both color and dimension through the way these color types are mapped to the forms in the composition. As always, it's good to remember Einstein's great advice. In the next layer, I'll be working to make this painting a little more simple. Thanks for watching. Hope this was interesting and fun and gives you some good ideas.